I haven't been doing many videos recently because I've been so busy. We've got Bernd and Claudia here from Germany, and we had quite a few jobs to do on this engine and transmission. There was leaks, there was all sorts of problems, so it was actually easy just to pull the engine out and gearbox and fix them in the shop. So what I'm going to do today, prior to having a quick walk around, I'm going to show you how I test engines and gearboxes for leaks prior to fitting them, because there's nothing worse than putting your engine in or your gearbox and finding it leaks. So what we're going to do is we're using the smoke tester down here, and we're simply going to see if we can see this. I don't know, I might have to move it back a bit. What we're doing is we're connecting the smoke tester directly to the breathers here, and that will allow us to fill it with smoke. So let's go, we're all set up, let's press the button. Oh, I'll get the camera, I'll lift up the smoke machine so you can see what it's doing. I'll try not to stand on it. So here we go, and you can see the needle drops to nothing. So that's good, and just to prove I wasn't telling lies, we'll take this one off. That was for the gearbox, and this is for the engine, for the transfer case. Again, it takes a little time to fill up, and then the machine goes quiet. So that's good. It's going to go back on. I'm going to test the engine the same way by putting smoke into the dipstick hole and seeing if we get any leaks from anywhere else. We've got a lot of jobs to do on this motor. We've got the engine mounts to change, but also the timing belt's running off, and I'll probably do another video on that. The pulley is running forwards, and it looks like it's been tightened up so tight, the belt's been tightened up so tight, it's pulling the pulley, so the belt is slipping forward, which is not a good thing. We've got these mountings to change on the gearbox, on the air cleaner, but that's an easy one to do here. We've been stuck for a few days for FedEx parts, so we had a customer cancel an order which our parts were in, so that held us up. So hopefully this afternoon we've got everything coming in. One other thing I wanted to show you, look at this, how easy this is. If you want to sling your engine, just sling it on the back hook lug. See here? Perfect balance point. Look. How easy is that? So when you're putting it in, it'll just swing into place. Nice, eh? So we're going to fit it like you fit a torpedo in a submarine, you know, just drop it straight all in one. A lot easier. So let's have a walk around and see how our visitors are. Life is full of fun in Land Rover land. We just can't stop taking our vehicles to bits. This is Bernd, and this is Claudia, and this is Tuco. He's a dog, yes. And the raccoon, wait a minute, hold on. I think the raccoon's over here. Oh, there he is. He's just checking out the steering and controls. They seem to be all in order. So, these guys have come a long way to be here. And we're doing quite a bit to this vehicle. We've just pressure tested the steering box to make sure there was no leaks, and we replaced the seal down here just as a matter of course because it was starting to get dry. We've steam cleaned it all off, it's all nice and ready to go. But it's a nice truck. Look at this, look at that roof tent. That's what you all want, isn't it? That's what everybody wants in Land Rover land. I don't think I could fit that on my pickup. Oh, there's a raccoon looking out the window. Yeah, another thing. When we were stuck for parts, we've now got the decking and the back end finished on this apart from putting the sides on. So that's done. I've got to hang the exhaust a bit better. It's running. What else have we got to do? Got to finish off that intercooler, but like I say, things aren't priority at the moment. And this old raccoon there, he's getting bigger and bigger. He's going to have to go shortly. I keep saying it, but he had a pulley foot, but it seems to be better now. He's into everything. So I hope you like that about testing. I'm just going to jump back onto this now test the engine, and then we're waiting for Mr. FedEx to turn up. So we'll talk to you later.